Why do we see double? If we often look at the phone, in most cases people hold the phone very low and most often look down, and the lower rectus muscle of the eyes are constantly overstressed and the upper rectus muscle of the eyes are constantly in a relaxed and stretched state. A person who looks at the wrong angle greatly overstrains the eye muscles unevenly. The internal rectus muscle of the eyes, which are located near the nose, plus the lower rectus muscle of the eyes, which are responsible for the movement of the eyes downwards, and oblique muscle of the eyes that squeeze the eyeball to stretch the eyeball forward when a person wants to see at a close range. They become overtrained, tired, but the external rectus muscles, which are located near the weight area, and the upper rectus muscles, which are responsible for the movements of the eyes upward, stretched and weak. When one muscle of the eyes is strong and the other is stretched and weak, and stronger one pulls the eyeball more than the other, refraction gets impaired. This phenomenon is called astigmatism, and the picture begins to double. If you look at the phone or laptop for a long time without rest and the lack of active looking around, for example, on the walls or ceiling or other distant objects, leads that the eyeball becomes elongated and deformed because some muscles are stretched while others are tensed, and pull the eyeball down and in the middle, close to the nose, more than in the other direction. Light stretching and relaxation help to remove this tension from eye muscles. Subscribe to my channel for more beneficial information to improve your eyesight naturally.